Hey there, animal lovers. Today I've got a treat for you. Meet the Dik Dik, nature's cutest antelope. These tiny creatures are native to the savannas of eastern and southern Africa. Standing just 12 to 16 inches tall, you could easily mistake them for a plush toy. Now, what makes Dik Dik so fascinating? For starters, their name comes from the unique Dik Dik sound they make when they're alarmed. Pretty adorable, right? Dik Diks are masters of disguise. Their fur blends perfectly with the dry grasses of their habitat, making them almost invisible to predators. And speaking of predators, these little guys have a lot to watch out for, from eagles to leopards. But don't worry, they've got their speed and agility to keep them safe. What really sets Dik Diks apart is their bond with their mate. They are monogamous, meaning they stick with one partner for life. In a world where loyalty is rare, these tiny antelopes are truly relationship goals. Dik Diks also have a fascinating way of marking their territory. They use a preorbital gland located near their eyes to leave scent marks on twigs and grasses. It's like their own personal keep-out sign, but it doesn't stop there. These little antelopes play a crucial role in their ecosystem. By browsing on a variety of plants, they help maintain the balance and health of their environment. So next time you're marveling at the wonders of nature, remember the tiny Dik Dik. They might be small, but they have a big impact. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing animal adventures. Catch you later, animal lovers.